Hi guys, good evening. I hope the weekend is going good. We had a holiday here in Jakarta today. I had prepared some of the activities for Vivan today in the morning, so I thought maybe we can do it by end of the day or in the evening, but we've already done that. So now what I've done, I have started using these scrapbooks for the activities. It is very easy to maintain. I don't have to tear pages, don't have to maintain the pages separately. So I think it really works for me. This is ITC scrapbook. It's just for 35 rupees. And I picked it up from India a long time back because I try and save a lot of pictures. So I pasted a lot of pictures in the book, but then now with Vivan, I think it's coming quite handy. So the first activity was I need a buddy. We have already done the activity because he wanted to do it in the afternoon. So whatever I had planned for the day, we've already done. So the first activity was I had put all the numbers here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I had given this sticker sheet to him. He had to find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from here and I had to paste correspondingly, which he has done. But you can see he has done like that, for which is okay. So he did the first activity. The second one was, can you find me a second buddy? Okay, so these are these foam stickers which I had cut into half pieces, okay, and I had given to him, and he had to match the counterpart. So the first part and second part, which he has correspondingly done. This was fun, okay, because it was first a half triangle, and when he made the shape, he thought it's a diamond. The half shape was looking like a rectangle, but when it came out, it was a square. So it was quite fun activity. Then this was the twins activity, twin leaves. So this was actually a pattern identification as well. So I had used these paper leaves which I had, and had given Vivan these 4 different leaves, and he had to paste the corresponding leaf. I think it was quite nice. He got confused in the red one, so the one with the dots and the one with the pattern here, but then he was okay with it. The fourth activity, I actually have a lot of magazines and papers, so I had cut them into these small paper bags which I prepared, and these say no to plastic bags, and he had to just simply count them, and again using the same sticker he had to pick up the number from here and had to paste here correspondingly, which he has done. So like 2 here, 1 here, and 4 here. So it was quite easy. So the name of the activity was Count Us and Take Us for Shopping. So it was interesting. The next activity was Friendly Neighbor. So I have these, there is a new store which has opened up near to my place, and they have some really amazing stickers. So I've picked up these stickers recently for him, and what I had done was I had pasted these ones here. So there's a light purple one, light blue, there's a light orange or peach, and this is a very light lime yellow color. And on the sheet he had to find the corresponding color, and he had to match all of them. So he has done the matching, and he has pasted right in front of them. And the colors were not easy to identify because they are not very solid colors. They were all pastels, but somehow I helped him and he was able to do it. Then we had this mama and baby activity. So I pasted the babies and he had to paste the mamas. So lamb with the sheep, then duck babies, and then the calf and the cow. So he did this and he really enjoyed it. The last activities were the flower activity. So he had to again count the flowers and had to paste it from this sticker sheet which I had given to him. And here I had given him these 3 different flowers, the big ones and the small flowers. It was also for pattern and also for the size. He got confused here because I think this was a little difficult for him to match. So he got confused with these 2, but somehow I help, and I try and I'll plan and do it again with him. So this is what we did it in the afternoon today, and we really enjoyed it. Have a great time guys. Have a good weekend. See you.